We have approximately between 80 and 100 vehicles running on the fleet at any given time, and that can be 50-50 split between commercials and non-Ford vehicles as well. I'm Rachel Holmes and I am the rental manager for Perry's East Midlands. Ford Pro Telematics Essentials we found in December 2023. The most exciting bit to start with was we could see mileage instantly, which is a massive thing for any rental company. 25 to 30% of our job was just ringing around customers to try and get an up-to-date mileage. So ideally we run them up to about 6,000, so when they come up to the 5,000 mark we've then got our own little alerts to say, right, okay, we need to pull this one back in because we want to be able to sell them on. Telematic Essentials runs a traffic light system. We've got green that is up to date, we've got amber which is action soon, and then we've got red, the high tier, which is action now. They're the ones that could be malfunctions. Those can frighten customers if they see the lights on the dash, but we are already in there. We will have hopefully have phoned the customer, given them a solution to say, right, you can drive it in, or we can bring you a replacement vehicle out.
My name's Lisa Britland, I'm a rental coordinator. Telematics is the best thing that we've been able to have in our department. It saves a lot of time for the maintenance. You just literally check that system, and if there's anything, it'll flag up on the Ford Pro Telematics. We can check fuel levels, blue levels, like with this one now, it needs a service.
As soon as it arrives back in, we're already aware and prepared. It's booked in with the service department again, so it's not off the road for any length of time. So prior to 2023, everything was done manually. Check-ins could take 30 to 45 minutes. And then since Ford Pro Telematics Essentials, it's halved it. We was introduced to the Ford Pro Telematics full service. The Ford Pro team gave us a call, and then they showed us different aspects of the platform. The geofencing, for instance. The geofencing, it's like a little fence that you put around a map and you decide where you want that fence to go. We've done it for the whole of UK use only. So any vehicle that goes outside the UK, it will throw up an alert for us.
If anybody was to slip across the border, then we know we physically got to get that vehicle back. We have had issues in the past, before we had the telematics.
The tracking system pinpoints where every single vehicle is within the UK. You can see where it is, you can see how the driver's driving it. If we've got vehicles that are due back to us within a certain time, we will know what time it's going to be back in.
We've had one instance where the vehicle was 8 weeks behind on payment and we hadn't got an idea where the vehicle was. We were potentially looking at a theft at the time. If we'd got the Ford Pro Telematics, we would have physically known where that van is.
Previously to 2023, we'd got our commercial vehicles all running on the Telematic Essentials platform, and we've got 40 to 50 units running on a different platform. So we spoke to the Ford team. They said it was something that we could bring the non-Fords on board onto the telematics system. So the non-Ford vehicles are fitted with a plug-in device, takes 20 minutes, and that runs exactly the same. So it will show you and tell you everything as it does with the Ford vehicles. As a fleet rental manager, I've been doing this job for 25 years. Ford Pro Telematics has changed the way that we do our jobs. There's no guesswork anymore. It's revolutionised everything that we do.